Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we installed Python and wrote our first program. Today, we're learning about variables and numbers in Python. Let's jump right in. So what's a variable? Think of it as a box where we can store information. We can put things in like numbers or words and give it a name. For example, we write age equals 12. Here, we're creating a variable called age and we're putting the number 12 inside it. So now whenever we say age, Python remembers it as the number 12. Python can do math really easily. Let's try some examples. We write x equals 10, y equals 5. Then we print x plus y. Then print x minus y and x times y and x divided by y. And we print it. See? It will give the answers. Like the first one that was 10 plus 5, now it's 15. The second one 10 minus 5, it's 5. The third one 10 times 5, 50. And the last one 10 divided by 5, that is 2. We can also change what's inside our variable. Like we write score equals 0, then we print the score. Let's run it. Now our score is 0. Then, without removing it, we can write score equals 10. Then we print it again. See? Now the score is 10. At first the score was 0, then we change it to 10. So variables can change. That's why they're called variables. Let's mix number and text together using variables. Like we write age equals 12. Then we print I am age years old. See? The command let us print both words and numbers together. You can also add numbers together before printing them, like we make A equals to 5 and B equals to 3. Then we print it and we write the total is A plus B. Now rerun it. Nice work! Now you know how to use variables and numbers in Python. In the next video, we'll learn about string and text, so we can make our programs talk even more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.